Hello everybody, my name is Max, part of the marketing team here at CTech Manufacturing, and this week we've been hanging out at the WPLF Mid-Winter Training Conference. This is put on by the Wisconsin Chiefs of Police Association, and we're here showcasing our line of CopBox trunk storage solutions. So let me spin you around and I'll give you a look at what we have in the booth. Now, where you just were, where I just pulled you out from, is our Metro series. This is a great entry-level trunk storage solution. Just features one locking flip-top lid, of course utilizing factory mounts, as do the rest of our CopBox storage solutions. Like everything else we make at CTech Manufacturing, this is an all-aluminum construction. Everything's fastener connected. This box here starts at $495. As I said, it's an excellent entry-level storage box if you just need something to mount in the back of your mid or full-size vehicle. Keep things safe. Towards the side of the booth, we also have a Responder series box. This is roughly the same dimensions as the Metro series box, except instead of a flip-top lid, we have a locking motion latch drawer. These are the same motion latch drawers that are found in our industry-leading tool drawers, pit carts, and cabinets. As you can see, it features a lock on both ends of the drawer. One key locks both ends of the drawer, keeps your interior contents safe. Similar to the Metro box, this is also aluminum construction, hammer tone finish, standard. And now we'll take a look at our show centerpiece. This is our 2019 Ford Interceptor, Police Interceptor, I should say. This comes as a body in white, sort of from the factory. Similar platform to what many police districts utilize and outfit to their liking. What we've done is we've put a tactical series CopBox in the back. This is a little bit taller than the Metro or Responder series. Starts off with one drawer. This one we decided to put two drawers in. Similar to the Responder series, each drawer features a lock on both ends for extra security. We have a recessed storage area up top to keep things from sliding around and out of the box. And if you look a little bit further back, we also have an optional gear guard. This is an excellent option for gun storage. We have some miscellaneous things stored in this particular unit. Everyday emergency items that anyone, whether you're in law enforcement or not, would consider having inside a vehicle for a variety of purposes. Emergency blankets, tow straps, tape, all things of that nature. So that's what we have in the middle of the booth. Towards the end of the booth, we have one of our larger boxes. This is a Command series box. This one's even taller yet than the Tactical series box. A little bit more involved here. We have a flip-up whiteboard option. This is built into the drawer. It's supported with gas struts, so it just pops right up. And also collapses into the drawer nice and easily for storage. This is nice to have if you're coordinating a team on a crime scene or an accident scene or anything of that nature. You can just pull out the motion latch drawer, flip up the whiteboard, and start drawing. We also have a pull-out shelf This is not a motion latch shelf. It is just a simple pull-out shelf with bumpers on the end. This can be used in place of an adjustable shelf, which is you can see here featuring our adjust-a-lock shelving. These can be adjusted in 1-inch increments along the side. All shelves, adjust-a-lock shelves, lock in place so that they're not moving around while you're moving around. Similar to the motion latch drawers, motion latch cabinet doors on all CopBoxes also feature a lock. Security, safety is the name of the game with these CopBox storage units. As I said before, they all utilize factory mounting positions using a QuickLink mounting system, which means that, for instance, this Tactical Series box that we currently have in a 2019 Police Interceptor from Ford. This box could be taken out and put into a new model year Ford Police Interceptor. All you would have to do is switch out the mount, because mounting locations from year to year do tend to switch. All CopBoxes you'll see on the mounting plate are held in place by some thumb screws, larger thumb screws. This is a factory mounting location here at the bottom. What this does is it allows you on some CopBoxes to retain access to the spare tire. So on boxes that are short enough to tilt up and backwards, all you would have to do is undo these thumb screws here at the front, 2 thumb screws usually. And then if you look along the side, there's usually a gas strut assist system that runs along each side of the box. This helps you lift up the entire box via this handle here at the back and allows you to gain access to the rear tire space. So this is going to wrap up our little tour of the booth here at WPLF Mid-Winter Training Conference. If you or anyone you know is interested in any sort of tactical trunk storage solutions, this is just another fantastic product line that we are proud to manufacture in-house at CTech Manufacturing. Thank you for joining us for this walkthrough. Be sure to check us out on ctechmanufacturing.com. Have a great day.